Hi, I'm Cameron Bahar, CTO of Huawei Storage. I'm responsible for enterprise and cloud storage, and in the Silicon Valley, I run an advanced technology group. Today, I'll be discussing with you the related RAID technologies that go into our Huawei OceanStor Dorado V3 all-flash array. As you know, RAID protection is considered a basic function in all storage systems, and these utilities provide customers with high reliability and performance assurances. However, as disk capacity has grown tremendously, it's become difficult to contain the reconstruction times on RAID rebuilds. The RAID protection that once made customers feel secure has become less reliable. Storage vendors are constantly adapting policies to align with developments in disk drive changes and technology. Some are using large capacity disks while maintaining a low capacity utilization and system performance. That approach limits users to RAID groups with fewer disks and higher redundancy ratios, like the 4:2 RAID 6 group, to reduce overhead and accelerate reconstruction speeds. However, the performance of each member disk is still limited by the data construction turnarounds, which in turn means a risk to data reliability. As a result, some vendors are adopting new RAID 2.0 technologies to break through the limitations in performance per disk. The price is a large one, and the impact on service performance is noticeable. Builds and systems in the all-flash era can't tolerate large reductions in disk utilization efficiency because flash is expensive, nor can the impacts on service performance be digested. The whole point of flash is high performance. Continuous upgrades in today's systems means customers will always need to buy disks of higher capacity to gradually replace existing disks. Disks of different capacities will be used together on a system, and the question is, how do you provide the best utilization in a mixed disk size environment? This is essential. It's precisely for this reason that we set out to achieve a level of protection able to tolerate 3 simultaneous disk failures. And the notion is that with different sizes, Huawei has come up with what we call RAID TP, which tolerates the loss of 3 simultaneous disk failures. This functionality, along with our dynamic RAID functionality, allows us to provide innovation in RAID technology and be a compelling choice with organizations for optimization, performance, and capacity utilization. In the previous video, we introduced how the Dorado V3 is able to effectively do full stripe writes with the use of our redirect on-write technology. This allows the performance to remain the same as disks are added to an existing RAID group. RAID TP that I talked about also uses Huawei's optimized Flex EC algorithm. This algorithm is what allows us to tolerate simultaneously 3 disk failures. This allows us to improve reliability while allowing for longer reconstruction times. The amount of data that's actually read from a single disk during reconstruction using this algorithm is reduced by 70% in comparison to traditional RAID systems, thereby reducing the impact on system performance. On typical 4.4-2 RAID 6 systems, they typically exhibit a utilization rate of about 67%. Capacity utilization on Dorado V3, configured with 25 disks, improves this by a whopping 20%. In this way, we're able to use our RAID TP technology in large capacity disk systems to achieve optimal performance, reliability, and capacity utilization. Our dynamic RAIDability technology is called dynamic RAID. Enables the system to dynamically adjust the stripe width. And depending on different capacities that are intermixed, our algorithms automatically find the best stripe width that will produce the best utilization rate. The stripes in the system are gradually replaced with new stripes to achieve the best capacity utilization overall. When space for the system hot standby disk becomes insufficient, the system would automatically reduce the size of the stripes to ensure newly written data remains protected under a level of redundancy specified by the user. This occupies the user's available capacity. Theoretically, when the user has sufficient capacity, the system will work for the user as usual, even when disk failures occur on all but 5 disks. This feature allows users to select the appropriate replacement disk at their own convenient time. So in summary, the RAID TP functionality for high-capacity disk layout available in our Dorado V3 systems achieves the best performance, reliability, and capacity utilization. The dynamic rate functionality allows users to achieve better capacity utilization as capacity is expanded. This function also allows the system to tolerate multiple hard failures, giving users longer window times to complete replacements. Thank you.